Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your Google Business profile in 2026, step by step. Whether you've changed your business hours, phone number, address, website, or services, keeping your Google Business profile updated is important. Accurate information helps customers find and trust your business while improving your visibility on Google Search and Google Maps. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Business profile using the Google account that manages your business. Once you're signed in, you'll see your business dashboard with all the available management options. To edit your business information, click the *** edit profile ** option. Here you can update your business name, primary category, business description, phone number, website, address, service area, and business hours. After making your changes, click **save ***. Some updates may appear immediately, while others may take a little time for Google to review. If your business has moved to a new location, update your address carefully and make sure the map pin is placed correctly. This helps customers navigate to your business without any confusion. Next, review your business hours. If your schedule has changed or you're planning holiday hours, update them so customers always see the correct opening and closing times. You can also edit your products and services. Add new products, remove outdated ones, update prices if necessary, and improve descriptions to give customers more useful information. Now click on the ** photos * section. Upload new images of your business, products, services, office, or team members, and remove any outdated or low-quality photos. Fresh, high-quality images make your profile more attractive to potential customers. If your business has introduced new services or special offers, create a new Google post to inform customers. Regular updates show that your business is active and engaged. Don't forget to monitor your customer reviews. While you can't edit customer reviews, you can respond to them professionally. Thank customers for positive feedback and reply politely to negative reviews